Hi Carpentry Addict, welcome again to your favorite woodworking and DIY channel. I am Domingo Freire and today I will show you several gift options for woodworkers, DIYers and project makers. And the first gift option is a good drill. WorkPro has two 20 volts drills options. Both of these has 20 volt battery. This one has the hammer, the screwdriving and the drilling function. And this other one has the screwdriving and the drilling function here. Here you can adjust the force level. Both of them has two force levels. Any of these drills have a good performance for woodworking projects. Other good idea is to acquire a toolkit for DIYers. In this kit we have this 12 volt drill and screwdriver with these accessories and many tools. The option number 3 is this pink tool set that has 52 pieces for working at home. This is a nice hand tool set. We have 2 pliers, 1 cutter, a lot of screwdrivers, this screwdriver with these accessories, 1 little hammer, 1 scissor, this adjustable wrench, and this tape measure with these Allen keys. I recommend you to acquire this kit for any project or any home repair. All DIYers must have a stapler and nail gun. WorkPro has 2 options, the gray options and the pink one. With this tool, we can use many kinds of nails and staples. To load the stapler is very easy. You only have to press here, open it, and put the staples here, and it's ready for working. And now we have to talk about this trending tool. If you want to be a good cabinet maker, you have to buy the WorkPro Pocket Hole Jig System Kit. This is an excellent tool and it has the jig, the stepped bit, the stop for the bit, the screwdriver bit, some screws and some caps for the holes. This jig is very easy to adjust and has the scale in millimeters and inches. We only have to move this piece and put it according to the thick of the board we will work with. I always say the best woodworker friends are the bar clamps. WorkPro has this amazing 6-bar clamps kit and it has 2 versions, the blue and the pink one. This kit has 4 6 long inches bar clamps and 2 12 inches clamps. To be careful with the cleaning of your workshop, I recommend you to use a good vacuum cleaner. The WorkPro 6 Gallon Vacuum Cleaner has a 5.5 horsepower engine, and this is an awesome tool to keep your workshop dust-free. And if you like to work outside your workshop, you have to buy this portable workbench. In the description of this video, I leave you the link to acquire any of these gifts. Thank you a lot for watching this video. Remember to click on like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, I love if you give me a super thanks, and I will see you in my next video.